look, we're in Denver at the University building here. We got some modernized Otis elevators here. Mailboxes there. Different ones. Interesting. There's the old directory and the lobby. Sadly, that's not in service anymore. Beeps every time you put your arm in the sensor or block it. Pretty quick. Anyway, that used to be an elevator, it looks like. There's actually no cutout in the stone where a lantern is, so maybe not. Left us. The people in that watch place are looking at me. See which one we get here. Up here is the motor room, but I'm sure that's locked. Yep. Doors used to be much wider. I wonder what these were originally. We'll go to 2. Oh wow, interesting layout. We'll take one more ride up and down. These are actually pretty fun. All right, now we'll end the video on one here. Sorry. That. Got to save this car up on 3. That will be all.